The choose function allows you to specify a set of items and then choose an item from that list based on the number that you enter. So here we've entered these 4 activities as our choices: yoga, Pilates, walk, or meditate. And we're choosing the choice 3, so that's why it's returning in walk 1, 2, 3. Now this is a very easy function to use. You just go choose. The index number is the choice we want, so we want the 3rd choice, or you could have just typed that in. And then you just need to select the options individually. So yoga, option 2, Pilates, option 3, walk, option 4, meditate. You can't just select the whole range. And that will bring back walk. If we try and enter the whole range, say choose, bring us back the 3rd one of this range, it's not going to work. It's going to think that whole range is just option 1. And this is a useful function because if your choice number changes, the formula will just automatically change for you. It's nice and easy to use.